Hey babes, are you ready to embark on an epic skincare shopping journey with OoshTush? Let me spill the tea on our amazing shipping process. Get this, we offer free standard shipping to 20 countries. From the US, Canada, Australia to Europe, we've got you covered. Safety first. Need it quicker? No worries. With orders over 80 US dollars, you'll enjoy free express shipping. DHL, UPS, EMS, they're the speed gods we trust to deliver your goodies fast and reliable. To all our friends in the Middle East, we've got a special treat just for you. Enjoy free Aramex shipping on orders over 60 US dollars. From Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, UAE to Jordan, we've got your back. For more info, check out our official website at OoshTush.com. We're on a mission to bring you the best directly from Seoul, South Korea. All authentic products. So let's get shopping and enjoy the ultimate OoshTush experience. Happy skincare journey, OoshTush babes!